I wanted to visit some elephants. So I did a little bit of research about ethical sanctuaries, and I heard such good things from everyone who has been here, and so here I am.
It's just a wonderful experience from the beginning of the day to the end of the day.
I was like, oh my God, this elephant's like right next to me, but I kind of just talked to her, just basically feeding them, giving them that support that they need, give them their space, come to freedom.
Helping with the dogs, walking the dogs. I just came back walking disabled dogs, so it's really lovely. There is always something to do and something to help.
Got to meet some of the elephants, hear their stories, which some of them were just so heartbreaking, and then some of them are really happy.
Really great place where elephants or animals in general come first. So there was no riding, no bull hook, no being harsh to the animals. Get under the care like dogs and cats and so on, and also the people. I really like this.